Okay, so this one's assembled, fully assembled, but let me explain some of the tricks. You can see the wire mess up here. Now this one is before, not with the wire lengths that we specified, so it's a little bit different snarly mess. Less 30 gauge and more 26 gauge in the real one. But anyway, so there's two pieces of the shell. There's this piece down here and the piece up here. You'll see I've got a couple of pieces of Scotch tape. This is the really thin Magic Transparent Scotch tape. And I found that it was convenient to, as I was trying to hold this all together, starting at the bottom end here, I'd get the LED strips in place, I'd get the wires from the switch routed underneath it, right along each edge under the edge of the battery and the shell, and then put a single layer of tape around it to kind of hold both strips together while I was working on it. Then I did another one up here in the middle, put a single layer of tape around, and then there's one up here at the top as well, and this is where it starts getting a little bit more tighter. And then another key thing is underneath this tape that goes around, you'll see a piece of tape that goes this way, and that's over the joint between the two pieces, shell pieces, and it's on both sides. And the purpose for this piece of tape is that this can get a little snug when you're inserting it. So when you insert that, if I push it in all the way here, oops, and you got to make sure the wires don't get caught when we push it in. So now when I go to pull it out, we don't want this one shell up here to separate. So that tape helps with that, and you might also just gently push. You don't want to damage the switch, but gently push. So then you can pull that out, and these two shells stay together because of that tape. So something really thin. I had 2 layers of tape on my other one, and it jammed in the tube, so I had to take one layer off. So that's the trick for that.